All right, so today what we are going to be doing is we're going to be finding the volume of L-shaped figures. So what you'll notice about this is it kind of looks like a rectangular prism. And when you actually look at it, it's actually two rectangular prisms stacked together. And when we have rectangular prisms that look like this, there are certain strategies and tools that we can use. What we are going to practice today is actually tracing the flat L shape. We'll trace it on the graph paper, and then we're going to multiply it by the height. And I'm going to show you what I mean. So first what we're going to do is let's start by tracing the bottom. So I notice I'm going to go over 12. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then I'm going to label it 12. And I'm going to check it off. Then I notice I have to go up 3. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to label this 3. Then I notice I have to go over 8 inches. So I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I notice when I started, I can also go up 10. So I'm going to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to label this side 10. I also forgot to label this side 8. And then what I'm going to want to do is I want to connect these. So I'm going to go straight up and I'm going to go over until I connect it. So you'll notice I've traced this flat 2D shape. And what I want to do is I want to count how many squares are inside. There's a few different ways that I can do that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to split it, and I'm going to count how many squares are here and how many squares are here. So I'm going to start here. I notice that this is a 12 by 3. And I know, if I do the math, 12 times 3, I know 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. So I know that there's 36 squares in here. Then I'm going to take a look at my other section. So I notice it's over 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write 4 up here. And I'm going to count how many down I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have a 7 by 4. 7 times 4, I know, is 28. So I'm going to add my two rectangles, the areas together. 36 plus 28. I know 8 plus 6 is 14. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 more is 6. So the area is 64. Now, I have to look back here at my prism. There's one number that I did not use yet. I used the 12, I used the 3, I used the 10, I used the 8. But you'll notice I did not use the 2 yet because that's the height of my prism. So I have the base. I now need to take 64 and times it by my height of 2 because I haven't used that dimension. So I'm going to do 64 times 2 to find the final volume. 4 times 2 I know is 8. 2 times 6 I know is 12. So the volume is 128 cubic inches. So this is a strategy that we can use to find volume of L-shaped figures. We can trace the flat 2D shape, which is the base, find how many square units are inside, and then times it by the height.